Mbaringol ala barka bake Allah like sol na la comment sol ka over appreciate le bi fanan natalele with another know your star kal tentu kal jayi ka fale ko bim futata dawda atule mol futande je comme al dalta ka kenya min non drong comment box no kon ala safeje momo al lafta na ni know your star to comme bi na know your star nga min soto al me bata folale pour nga natina nga kata ko kele afana yala kata ko ke mba tentula mba jayla ka fay ko inimbara thank you so very much namunon doti ata grand la but mba tentula wo kan ka jay ka fay ko ni bemu banku do ko di barim to youth soldier ne ba ko be tentula mbe jayla bake ka fay ko thank you so very much welcome to Know Your Star another episodes of Know Your Star but bidum bi Know Your Star bi dugare nimi man siku nimi man megabyte correct ngo soto dugare ta support say kaytol bi jele kaytol sang relax because we're going to discuss a lot of things Allah faka fed long nyim funding keto insha Allah rabbi ma fa ba belo na le baral ba do man lo na le insha Allah rabbi inim bara bake inina mo le ñoo kontong ani la mol
ngama ja bele fo so nyana min kala wala ngo rek mbi nga fam prepare ngasi nga yin kacha ja bitala bana dame so mbabe content. I hope all of you are doing good and welcome to
Know Your Star.
Know Your Star.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Is another star kabray content diroke ngal nete be benjibe kam isi kutale ko bi jumalo bari long abala nga siku bi jumalo jinala long abare nga siku bi jumalom mi yalon ko ay school episode kele yalon bi discussion abe diala bakele baring jantol ka mirale ko coming bari jege te rek ay jinala natina from nowhere hani de one tende so ila time ota you just relax yela moy kachal la aba kumala bakele bari mbe templa mbe jayla bake ka fay ko Know Your Star mu programme multi mi yalon ko nga kere le ka dinna stal la min yalon ko ibe industry kono ni artiste lon wo théâtre la lon wo pentamano lon wo nga nyin théâtre nga nyin kere le ka ditol la programme lo mi yalon ko fansol le fongo ka mo choose ka fon lafta mo kare lay na ñum programme oto ñum programme oto momo nata jere ka lon koy mo kuma balti Gambia sansan ko bi ni samul hakilo bulande drong bari to na konton ana bota damento
well nto Mamadou initial S anen konton bari mbota jara somal mu jara ngoldi jara soma ko nyota bogoto but yeah Sandeng in the combos mbe Costa Road le. Yeah.
That's very good. Know Your Star dun ka dalile nga min invite na ñew yaya dindi ya time wala ay fewol mbe ke dindi ya time wala jandin ko ke e mol just quickly bari school jumal le aten.
Okay. Nganna primary school ñe aten jara somale na which is lower basic school Soma lower basic school mbata je fanan ndara tahir senior boden ye junior fanan soto jele so come from primary level oni to there na continue nyama fonna grade 12 level oni boden fanan na school journey ñing amanke jo school journey fananti dula kilonyi nen tahir jele nga fe nyama fanan karanyola alongside mimu yalon ko like comme inimul be interact la nyaadi le comme ini kafobe move no la nyaadi le and a whole lot of things comme experience do fanara na njere maybe nakira nga mention scout ko maybe if you know about scouting
you
don't
understand exactly
you understand now where I'm talking about.
I was a volunteer. I was a Red Cross member.
Okay so yeah so onyamale fo mbode nyamen natanan combos jam 2018 to attend my college wolen Birkama campus
okay and the HTC or PTC?
Yeah, it was PTC. PTC. But then yalon komi ka fo nyame mumun yala dal silo so but since munu scout olti monkey scout boy scout da mari boden be ban fanantole so with the music abinata college to Bekaron Laje, but then the focus is elsewhere. You understand? Because I'm more of in the entertainment industry than, you know, just this other, you know, educational level and stuff like that. Mapos Kumambita is a very good one, but everyone have their own ways. But along the line, the institution itself needed my service. Well, I come, you know, to Kanaka musical Karanji after Karandiji. So which I am doing currently too. You know, musical Karandika. UEG into because at university. Yeah. So yeah.
So you are a lecturer when you come to music at the university.
Yeah.
Well,
yeah, Kodi.
Never been I know. So Marihol coming ka fale nyami non Gambia is full of talent. We don't know definitely, but Gambia is full of talent. Hanika be the see relax. This is you just flashback all the drunk barila koto, you know. I school in Kele, about another college, about Sai is at the university teaching music. Andung mbe bola watole mina la career fongotole inshallah. So I grew up to Muntole fang.
Yenda grew up to Jara Somal. Yeah,
I grew up to
Grew up to Jara Somal. And Nadine ya beke Waldom. Everything. So come after Yamere 2018 ne Natanang Komboja.
So this some of the kids remember Nole coming in Min Theater, Jara Soma, or Sifali, so remember Nole.
Yes, some of them some of them still, you know, we are in touch and stuff like that. But not everyone. Some of them come lose the contact and so on. And one of them is our biggest fan. Movie photo. He's our biggest fan. Kayumol School of Amola comments to see who is having the most top comment across all our videos. Yeah, Atelem. And his name is Rasidu Jallo.
Rasidu, Sadato Rasidu.
Yeah, Rasidu.
Yeah. You have a special award, you know, from Know Your Star. Yeah, from Know Your Star, you know. We will talk to our manager, the manager, a special, you know, award later.
Yeah. So. Some of them are also there that are watching us, like we are in, you know, Kachare, but among
exactly.
Yeah, Alonso BJ and different other people. But I don't come school course on there, you know, gather at one place. But then there are a few of them, you know, me I'm going to say mention no. But Seattle, but come Sunday for me for being, you know, in contact at the moment. Come is only a few of them,
So who are some of the teachers you still remember them?
The
teachers.
Which level is at
the senior level, at the primary, senior level, you know. Because sometimes primary level, teacher ka soto jele mi alam ko student lo bugani ni la. Foyol soto jele.
Ka do soto mi anko movie ka silonya.
Exactly.
Ka fa yasali. Wo primary school level. Ka fa yasali. Yes, wo mold mi anko, you know, ndada ka nyinala. Ani fanang who used to be my primary like Akira Nyame, from a certain level of grade to another level, at a multi can well Mr. Drame Fanandi. Mr. Drame Fanandi and ni botananje maybe tired from going in a dose of Mr. Hakim, you know, by Nigeria and all you know, and don't have a job of Mamma while I'm a BTT and come told me Binaga Negata. But one of them also is they come cover Mr. Sane, but you know they call him Jungle and come, you know, some of them, and Madam Salah. The names are just coming and going, but
exactly. So at the you know primary level, very most students if I stubborn, calm, you know, ila level of jadi.
Na primary level of karate la bakatom. Karate de mbulu wala nkafale mula na len soram. Saya ngafam mula gal bulien timpa jungu tende saya ngana ngafam kamfata. Ngafam bulu tan saya marangkan nyola motil nakang. Ya ini nge ben ini nge soto. Inge bolo belli palle pa buru no le sila rek. Well anyway, like come abenyamen, let's say every kid come you know, have these problems, you know, you know that they do, like being stubborn, you know, and you know doing a lot of things. But I think also it's important, you know, I make this part also clear. This is something that I also learn alongside, which is whatever action you take has consequences. You understand? And I think yes, with that also it helps me, to learn better and also to be more mature and to to reason things and to tackle things in my life. You understand? Yeah. So of course.
Wolon to nyati no. But in education wise, imu student sifa nyadla fast learner or slow learner?
Kukilim bijere na fair wakasi yal nunde. Bari ning sita. Comme dako yes, na I'm a serious person. Make a difference back around the jail. Yeah, I get difference back around the jail. There's a time I remember this lady. Her name is Aisatu. That was even our I think grade 10, something like that. Kafu remember that. Yeah, long kong afo nyame. School ni abijele, but it's not my full fenkoni. But my that grade 10. I think I was having this person of 20 something mafon out of I think 40 something students. I was around 20 something. But as this term, was it the second term of the year, I decided to come, let me be kind of serious with my education now. Let me see, what is going to happen. So I'm like suto ngalla junale ngawuli around 1 2 3 then ngalla omisona stop 4 after ngalla. But difference na taraje, which is from 20 something to I think was it second or third.
You see?
You understand? Like second or third, something like that. So there's this lady, that name is Aisatu. She was trying to test my, yeah, sometimes students don't come, so below class bunda, I question yin garanka busa. I mean yin busa, yin go, what do you think? But I yin gado la busa. Nine gado la so Sunday do be a kachang. Akonya go, wow. So it's all the play that you are doing, so this is how good you are. But then after fanang come karangkonyi for another field, you understand? So I'm just karangkonyi meaning offside fan all the time. But come ngana own fan goal dal plans also dal. Yango is not just to be in the academic fan going do. Yeah. So that's the kind of person I was.
Volontonyati.
Yeah.
Volontonyati. Every kid aka sport sotole munela sporting.
Football again.
Football.
In fact, la son ko fon ke nakari ati.
Ndaysan.
Football bar nga football kele.
Okay.
Nga volleyball play le, nga basketball fanam play le. But football ni fon le main fen ko nyindi. Because jani fon kana jang, I was trying to target Senegal, Casa Sport, to see and all of that thing.
Okay.
But then yalong comparing school there ko mona ha parita jang, but college then but my mom was ready to support me with everything. But because I explained I ko side na parita bulata karon la fat and nakaran nani cool nataka feeling nyoko monya with the football, so football satan ka fere. But then by janin ka bonan jen kana nanjang, football was the main thing koni. Yeah, because I'm fan training to a level we are definitely yes. Ndefo ngalon ko tonyalen. I was good to go. Samabe caring so I'm sometimes magana akatara bunko no. Benna train na fala baka fanya kanya bi falale. But what mo dream nyinem.
All of this. So ka position you play.
Nga point strike le play sometimes on floor but most of the time point strike. Yeah.
That's good man.
Kana ni ga goal jele score. Kana ni ga goal jele score. Mo pass side.
So what is the biggest goal? Me I don't go. O goal it was celebrated. Where was it?
Yeah, nga goal also nunde, but instead of I can celebrate come like I forgot I think that was against Newtown. That was the game, I realized yes, I can do this. You understand? Because that game it changes everything, like how I was playing. The people that are from Jara they might remember it was more of genius. On that day, like the way I was playing, some of them like it's more like I was the one that was controlling every single thing in the game, even though we lost the game. But that was the game where like I saw yes, exactly, especially na coach in Juan, Famara Baji, Afonyoko Mosaliu. Ajibe nekato muda kana more pass.
Dung.
Ta. It is the only one that is making the game. Ta kana ni more pass. Ajibe ne girl pass kato like atinya. It nekato muda. Ta. So what I want you fanang come energy fanang mantara je purka malo fe jara pa ko nyolole. Alors roba ni siata so meaning for need full energy from la. The kato muda now will be doing things come all understand right. What one ka gawo nyolole ji you understand. So there are styles. So on that day I happens to have a goal where I was so proud of, like I was come on. I think this is everything. It was a place where I think defender Nyefaba Mudan called up, but still I not give up because the way I was training is like everything was just good to go. It doesn't matter, like you don't just come and knock me and remove me from the ball. So running with the defender to the post and all of that thing, but then Lions man on because kato ina for chiba kick nyamere ngan single stretch it ended up entering the goal post or anatako. Was it offside or what? A ball that was coming from the goalkeeper. You understand, right? So, it was a goal that I was, ready to, like have this kind of celebration. But to be honest, I had a lot of goals where so kun Albino afana kataraji ningo pamre ngura afana kana pam so yeah
I know.
yeah
That's okay, So Mario coming after nyami coming ka start nila ila bite mansia ta biti ko just nearby biti Mamadou ya taje ye credit gamasa 25 drone no the whole day dan is a program mo jibe no baring na programme on kanyo ya start tenne fijani baguna programme kono bare ko kumaje bakele bari boto daminto biradin ne kamuneke because do ba sirin sokono bi abala faka ke koyte bara mando yi boto daminto and yejji muneke foy fitata bi be daminto so mata la bake pour nka fo dindingole njarta daminto is very important yeah so mbamruna ko ma dumandin ton bari jumala la parents
my parents na alfal bijel particularly comme na mfama mkunsalati ya da piu miyanko mulunda bage fa boden ndela on biological for me and wulu for bandal at a young age when I was going to the nursery level at a banto time wala but then my mom is there. Then after, my mfama kunza monyo, ole mfama replace, like like took my mom in and so they are very very hardworking people, and also they are humble, yes, and there are people that care for me, and they believe in love and respect and hard work. Yeah, those are the kind of people that they are. And there are people that are willing to be there for me, throughout every single journey, with their advice. This is not right. Don't do this thing. Okay, you can do this. And sometimes they will be, especially my mom will be sitting to watch every single thing that I'm doing. So
yes,
meaning yeah, to the point this general movies, it was like, hey. Yaravan sa indefana nga Umar Dingo to sotole. Umar to sotole. Understand? So yeah. So they are very very good people.
That's good. Along the way, sometimes when you sit back, ye mira mun kuma kan nabi je mi alon ko comme parents sul ka foye ni damma be siring e ke mirala kuma kan jumalo ni sa kilo samanu.
There is this thing mi alon ko manga fonya wala ko whatever you are doing, whatever, anywhere you find yourself, any situation, whatever you are doing, always remember there is God. Yes, whatever you are doing, always remember there is God. So that's sometimes there is a lot of things. Okay, how is it gonna show? Or like my image and all of that thing. Like and all of that thing. So comparing with my mom and also comparing when it comes to God, even though no one is perfect, but then there are these major things I think that I try to do away with it very very well, because I know the kind of advice that I receive from my mom, and comme il after ngake mosiva minti dal anyway comme ala famina exactly ndafa man naki woti exactly wala comme like kake let's say Hafizul of Quran, to be someone young, Abedawa, Deacon, and all of that. That's what she wanted, you understand? Exactly. But me particularly, I go move the king or what, but then, yeah. It is what it is. Always have been a video to Nindungo Jibe. So, Ningajibe, Rongalo, yes, I can love it, but yet I don't know, not everyone can be that. Yeah, no matter how you try, not everyone can be that. People also have their own different fango. So, yeah. Yes.
Tonyati, Niba Falamole, who is your? Do you have a friend?
Yes, I have a friend, and maybe someone that is very very closer to me right now. Yes, and that's the person me uncle Nabe do. Yes, Substick. Yeah, I think you spoke with him.
Yeah.
So, same thing. He's the only one that can, even though I have plenty of friends. But I am friend. But come me from Ghana closer. Me uncle, you share things. You talk to the person. You receive advice from each other. wo mateldi ya subs
wolonto ñaati mbaɗigol ngalo ko interview a biyata kunnaje ka fale ko just hani saying alsi ale relax mbaka chale kono hani saying because mbe min kono akumata bakele along the side yalon dindiya fanam ko bayi do you ever ine trouble so dole fo kana home akole ate bulu bab comme dindiya tay mo
comme ka sey sokono
comme ye trouble so to banta ka senan sokono nata ke problème oti jandite ka futa so warra wo futata sokono le ala sonta ka sutole yetera banta ye kelol ke o altata kuriyal la lalto jannata ko boje ina la parents oli ya fale ko ila mo ay nyinne ke so ya realize ko ye nyim fo momire de so say ka foto home yalla ko ke dindi jamanda
so ya de na group jamal so group na group boni very very big group boni warta bakere ndola ko rada man ndola ko da ko ngu fenkra da man na bungol min so je just room sol ya konta bita kanya na 26-27 rooms comme mof box fenko lenten so bunna so ten so je nga floor so jani jolal so on siara bakelan orders from come area fenko nyinto nga ko jamale tinya dem yalan ko sondas na koto kele ka mol bayndile nakata mbamal ma fenkeno koto kele fon ka mol bayndo ado bi mol gada ye mol dundu bungo na sabaji ka mo le ko lo sa mbe kellale ya understand comme ya there are but alon comme maybe nga kudo faje nga tuba sunya kudo bi ngana dunje just ngadang kom doni malto mi angom be ngakele dol bi je de
ol buga bay didi yato so ila life career foi fen soto le mi anon ko anytime ye mirala e kala fele ka nyaajo jola fo soto do
na life career entengam mirangale sikanya jolo na other things that I am up to which is different from this movie thing but that thing also was something that definitely made me cry and sometimes when I think about it but those ones are more of personal yeah na more of personal was yeah definitely
volontoñate mbaɗigol komi nga fale ñami dron albano yo stale jibe kan bidum man of the moment bimbo wala ya memo omarti bina duna carrière to amra fala ko mol kono le yalla mo na la passion niya marek aka jele walling straight away parce que bray college bang university straight away ko ñako mbami sikole karande kanje so music goes with abe minke kan ando kumata bakele mune motivate kadung industry ko